Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to create a WordPress mobile app. To begin, understand that the most efficient and effective method involves utilizing specialized platforms or plugins designed for this conversion. This approach allows you to transform your existing WordPress website into a fully functional native mobile application for both iOS and Android users. It's a streamlined process that saves significant development time and resources, making mobile app creation accessible to many. The most practical and widely adopted method involves using a robust WordPress plugin or a specialized app building platform. These tools act as a bridge, pulling all your website's content, posts, and pages directly into a mobile app framework. They provide intuitive interfaces and pre-designed templates, allowing you to customize the app's look and feel without writing a single line of code. This makes the process straightforward and accessible for everyone. Once your app is created, you unlock a host of powerful features. You can send targeted push notifications to keep your audience informed and engaged, driving them back to your content. Many platforms also support offline access, allowing users to browse your content even without an internet connection. Furthermore, if you run an online store, these solutions often integrate seamlessly with popular e-commerce plugins, extending your business reach. To get started, research and select a reputable WordPress plugin or app building service that aligns with your specific requirements and budget. Most providers offer clear, step-by-step guides to help you through the setup and customization process. After building, rigorously test your app on various mobile devices to ensure a smooth user experience. Finally, submit your polished application to the Apple App Store and Google Play, making it available to millions of potential users.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.